Today I will show you how to make these delicious, perfectly boiled, smooth, thick, creamy filled angel eggs. No fancy tricks will be required. Okay, this is so easy. For this demonstration, I'm only going to use 6 eggs, but if you want more, surely you can do that. I'm going to add enough cool water to cover the eggs, and I'm going to cook them on high for a total of 20 minutes. Now, if you have your own cook time that you prefer, then do what you normally do, all right? I always do 20. Once my eggs are done, I'm going to remove them right away, and I'm going to put them into an ice bath for a few minutes. By then, they will be easy to handle, and they won't be piping hot. They will also be easy to peel, and that is so important. That is the trick that works when it comes to peeling eggs. So now once all of my eggs are perfectly peeled, I'm going to cut each one in half, and I'm going to remove that yolk. And by the way, do y'all see how perfect my egg yolk is? I mean, do you see the color? These are not overcooked. They are certainly not undercooked. They're perfect, and this is how you want your egg yolks to be. So before adding my other ingredients, I'm just going to first smash up my egg yolks. And now to this, I am going to add some mayo, a little mustard, some dill relish, a little black pepper. And I'm also just going to add a little more mayonnaise, and I'm going to add a pinch of salt. And that's all that's really needed to make this. Okay, so now using my fork, I'm going to whip this up to get a nice smooth but slightly thick consistency. So here it was just a little too thick. So as you can see, I'm going back in with a little more mayonnaise. And after just a little more mixing, now it's perfect. So as I said earlier, I'm not using any fancy tools, okay? I am going to simply put the egg yolk into this Ziploc bag. It's just that simple. Once I snip the tip of this here bag, we're good to go. So make sure you do everything that I just showed you, okay? And let's finish up these eggs. Now, if you don't have any Ziploc or just regular sandwich bags, you can spoon the egg yolk directly into the egg, okay? Otherwise, just gently squeeze it in there as shown. It don't have to be perfect unless you're like really cooking this for a crowd. Then you want to really try to do your best here, okay? I finally finished this off with some paprika, and I just garnished with some parsley. And these were super simple and easy to make. They taste so good. So go ahead and make some for yourself, and be sure to come back and let me know how yours turned out. As always, I thank you so much for your support.